Jamaica, it might look like we didn't win. It might look like we came second, but really we won.
Nuts! What ground nuts?
That's a Nigeria.
One. So Nigeria, with all your huge population, you could only beat Jamaica on penalties. For
I will lift up my voice in
to the captain Moses Simon. The trophy in his hands. They are still the only team victorious in the Unity Cup. They won the earlier iterations in 2002 and 2004, and now 21 years on, Nigeria lift the Unity Cup again. And Moses Simon determined that everybody will be involved in these celebrations. Has his hands on the silverware. They enjoy the moment. Unity Cup winners 2025.
Jamaica, it might look like we didn't win. It might look like we came second, but really we won. Why? Because today was all about unity. It was all about bringing everyone together. And who has the biggest song about that? Bob Marley, One Love. So really and truly, we won. In the end, we won. And don't let anyone tell you otherwise.
We're never gonna lose.
Yeah, but walk round that, walk round that. Walk round that. Walk round that.
That's a Nigeria. That's a Nigeria.
We're out here, we represent, man, fully, everyone outside, yeah, man. There, man. Just know what time it is.
Fucking can't win nothing, man. Fuck's sake, man. I had to leave the stadium early because what is this? What do you mean we're missing a penalty? Fuck you, man. Fucking hate this.
Usain Bolt, Johan Blake, all the legendary sprinters for Jamaica. Come outside. If Nigeria takes athletics seriously, you see these records that you set, no worry, you will hear from us. You will hear from us. Shameless Ghanaians came out to support this Jamaica today. You had played your third place game, which is your level. Can you go home? No. You say you want to booga, you want to play with the big boys. You want to watch the final match. You came out supporting Jamaica against Nigeria. 2 tears. You cry when we win. You cry when we win Jamaica. And I like the way the dramatic team. Immediately the team went to penalty shooter. I said, God, you have done it again. With one ball in our post, we can never lose penalty. Take me by it. No worry. Any way it happen, call my name. I'm the one that told you. Talking to me about this Nigerian team. You are taking friendly cup serious. You are taking friendly cup serious. If you are not taking friendly cup serious, why were the Ghanaians almost 80% of that day who played Ghana? If you are not taking this serious, why were the Jamaicans almost 80% of the crowd today? 300 Spartans against 1.5 billion enemies. 3 men. Me, Mirakukuro, against a sea of Jamaicans. Nothing is up. They feed the Nigerian voltage, no worry. They knew there was Nigerians here. Benjamin, Benji, the Benny Blanco, Benny Fire, Benny Sugar, Benny Iron, Benny Super, Benjamin Frederick only trained with this team, I think once or twice. He came as a late call-up after Ahmed Musa returned to Nigeria to wed his fourth wife. What a debut. A man in a boy's body. Benjamin Frederick don't live for this earth before. He came back to save Nigerian defense. I've been begging for a defender that is young and that can partner with Calvin Bassey and secure us for the next years. In as much as we love our senior men, they will not be here forever. Now the truth. So we need to start planning. This boy and Yoga trained together. He came from Moses Simon's Academy, then trained together. What a beautiful moment. And then you're on the pitch together with your Oga. You dey perform past your Oga. They clear balls. When we had a problem at right back, Sadiq, they look, say, God, who go save me? This would not lick me. We don't concede 2 goals from here. Benjamin Frederick say, boy, don't worry. I did for you. I'll do my job, do your job. What a player. I think, now England today, watch what thing will happen to that boy in the next 1 or 2 years. Benjamin Frederick. On the ball, you see this boy, they gallop, in they run. He's a galloper. In the gallop, in the move. All his passes, I don't know if he gave waiting pass 100% pass accuracy, now him go get them. Boy, Siri Desas, you see this man, when journalists are clamoring for his call-up, people, they always whisper because obviously we have our favorites in the team, but based on reality, last year too, Siri Desas delivered us in a friendly against Ghana. He scored in that game. This Unity Cup tournament now, this guy is such a traditional 9 that I feel African football, no worry, no go face him. Corona talk him, and I stand on it. After Victor Osimhen, no striker should be getting a call-up ahead of Siri Desas for this our team. More know where we dey. Bro, reality check. We need
Nigerians, una no get joy, yo. No joy at all. Ghana cook food. They never even chop the food where they cook. Una don't rush. Go chop and before them. That is lack of home training. Must even show that you don't have home training. Must you show that you don't have home training. How you go something where somebody organize? Person organize party, in cook food. He never chop. You don't go there, go first and chop the food. That's bad. That's bad. Anyways, very, very well played from the Nigerian team. I'm quite disappointed, Cha. A little bit disappointed that we had to play penalties against Jamaica because watching that game, I saw us as the better team. We played very, very well, right? We scored the first goal. I don't know. For some reason, we just decided to take our foot off the pedal. And Jamaica came back into the game, scored 1-1. We scored the second goal, did exactly the same thing. Come on now, eh? We're not supposed to behave like that. 1 goal lead is not a lead in football, right? You need to keep going. Anyways, one thing that this tournament has done, it has exposed us to some players that, you know, are showing some signs of hunger. Desas is one of them. I'm very, very impressed with the way he played in that number 9 role. He has shown that if Victor Osimhen is not fit and available, we can rely on him. We can rely on him. I like the hunger he showed. We didn't play this competition like it was a friendly. We played like there was something at stake. And that's the way it should be, right? Another player that impressed me was Teller. Teller did very, very well. He gave 1 assist today. But his all-round game in that midfield, playing in that midfield role, was very, very impressive. That's a player that we really, really need. You know, we need a midfielder like Teller, and he showed his class in today's game. Make nobody tell me, say, this is just a friendly, because he get one fan base. Wait till today, then they celebrate their friendly trophy. So we are going to celebrate this friendly. We go celebrate like that fan base. If you know, you know.
God no say, if say I missed that penalty, therefore yard my life. Jesus. No trophy this year. That's people's problem.
So the 2025 Unity game has ended, and Nigeria, oh yeah, wow, one, you have won. So Nigeria, with all your huge population, you could only beat Jamaica on penalties, 4-5 on penalties. Hey, are you proud of yourself? In fact, you have won the tournament, but are you proud of the way you won the tournament? How can you beat Jamaica with your big population and with a country as big as Nigeria? You could only beat Jamaica on penalties. I'm kidding. Congratulations to Nigeria.
POV, you went to a football match with a bunch of Nigerians.
Party tonight. I really wanna party tonight. I really wanna party tonight. I really wanna. Ghana must go. 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 Oh, oh, I am feeling good tonight. You got me thanking God for life. I can't explain. I can't explain. Push up. I can't explain.